there, Sally. What you doing?
Oh, hey there, Mr. Narrator. Nothing much, just some trigonometry.
That's a funny way of pronouncing home economics. Say, Sally, how'd you like to learn about sex?
I guess so. I'd be remiss if I were to neglect any aspect of my hard-working, honest American education.
That's the spirit.
Where are we?
The first step to baby making is landing yourself a swell fellow.
Oh, this is Billy's house. Well, I sure do think he's swell. When do I learn how to use one of these?
Birth control? Tisk tisk, Sally. That's the opposite of making children.
Of course. How silly of me.
Oh, hey there, Sally. You caught me in the middle of my trigonometry homework. I didn't expect to see you in my house uninvited. How are you?
I'm doing just swell. Hey, Billy, I was wondering if maybe sometime you'd like to go out for a milkshake with me?
Gee, I'd sure like that.
Whoa there, Sally. Before you get ahead of yourself, make sure that Billy's a straight shooter.
I don't understand.
It's a sex ed class. So, Billy, before we can go out, I have to ask you a couple of questions.
Sure thing.
Do you play football?
You bet.
What do you think of Hitler?
He's one nasty fella.
Are you a homosexual?
Not since Bible camp.
Do you sympathize with the communists?
Never.
Sounds like marriage material to me.